Hello Stampers, and thank you so much for joining me today for another Stampin' Sunday video. This is Laura Buechler of Inkyfingers Papercrafting, your independent Stampin' Up demonstrator in Nanaimo, BC. I'm here to help brand new crafters go from feeling overwhelmed, uncreative, and unsure how to begin to feeling inspired, excited, and proud to share their new creations.
So as usual, I've got something really cool to show you today. I call this one cut, two cards, because you start with a 12 by 12 inch piece of designer series paper, you do a little bit of scoring, one cut, and then you get to make two cards out of it. I have a lot of people to thank for this design. First of all, I have to thank Liz, who brought this to my attention. She's one of my customers and crafters, and she has been on an absolute mission lately to use up all of her designer series paper, which is a mission I can totally get behind. That's one I'm always working on as well. And then I want to thank Meg Lovin. She's the one who I came up with the design, or at least shared the design on the internet where Liz found it. And then I want to give a big thanks to my daughter, Gwen, who led the Zoom stamping session when I wasn't able to. I got called away to another commitment. And so she led the mystery Zoom stamping session to teach everyone how to make this card. So that's how easy it is to do, is that my 14-year-old daughter with not very much preparation can jump in and show everyone how to do it. And now I'm going to show you how to do it today. So let's get started. So the next thing you'll need to do is decide which of your two patterns you want to show on the outside of your card. And then go ahead and burnish along your score lines so that you have two panels that fold in. You'll notice that one panel is a little bit longer than the other. That panel should be folding over towards your right-hand side. Take your pieces of white cardstock and attach those to the center of your card. Then you're going to add your large colored cardstock at the back of the card. Now it's time for some stamping. I'm going to use some sunflowers from the Jar of Flowers stamp set and a sentiment from Soft Seedlings. Of course, you could stamp different images on each of your small pieces of white cardstock, but for the sake of this video, I'm going to make them both the same. Once you've stamped, you can mat your white cardstock onto your colored cardstock. Now remember that long strip of DSP and the long strip of cardstock from the beginning? Now we're going to trim it down to size. Trim your cardstock to 1 inch wide and 3 3/4 inches long. Trim your DSP to 3/4 of an inch wide and 3 1/2 inches long. Mat your DSP on top of your cardstock. And add it to your card. Finally, use dimensionals to put your stamped image on top of the card. Now let's add some matte black dots to embellish. And there's the finished cards. Remember that you'll get a chance to win one of these cards when you share the video from my public Facebook page. Leave a comment below to let me know that you've shared, and maybe I'll be sending you one of these in the mail.
Thanks so much for watching, everyone. I really appreciate it, and I hope you enjoyed the video. Please drop me a comment below and let me know what you think. And if there's something specific that you'd like to learn about, just ask. Remember that you can purchase all the products shown on my website, inkyfingers.ca, where you'll also find more projects and videos, my events calendar, current promotional details and catalogs, and the sign up for my email newsletter. Have a great day, everyone, and happy stamping! Bye!